Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Smartmak Wood Home Hybrid Sauna for 2-person, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Dual heating systems. Experience both far-infrared dry heat and traditional steam sauna therapy in one unit. Our new hybrid wood sauna room comes with 6 infrared heating elements deliver deep penetrating infrared warmth, while the 3.5 kW steam heater with sauna rocks creates a wet, detoxifying environment. Switch modes to suit your mood or health needs, the 2 modes need to be used separately. Spacious 2-person design. Fits up to 2 adults comfortably, 51.2-inch, length, 47.28-inch, width, 74.86-inch, height. Ergonomic curved backrest for a more comfortable sauna experience, and tempered glass door maximize space while maintaining heat efficiency. Ideal for families or shared wellness routines. Fast heating elements. Safely enjoy even heat distribution with 2 carbon fiber panels plus 4 full-spectrum red light tubes. The infrared system warms up within 10 to 15 minutes while reaching optimal temperatures, up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius. And the high-performance 220-volt, 3.5 kW heating stove heats sauna rocks quickly for steam mode. While engineered to emit minimal electromagnetic fields, EMF, while reaching optimal temperatures, up to 195 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius, for relaxation and muscle recovery. Smart relaxation features. Easy to assemble with boucle design, the intelligent control panel can control both steam and far-infrared heating systems. Enhance your session with 7-color chromotherapy LED lights, adjustable brightness, a Bluetooth speaker for music/podcasts, and an oxygen bar to improve air circulation. The roof vent lets you control humidity and airflow for comfort. Enjoy the ultimate sauna relaxation experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.